What is up, everybody? It's your boy, tired ass motherclucker here. Just a real short one, like a minute. If that, I'm brooded. I almost forgot to do this. I've been so busy today. It's been absolutely absurd. Flat out at work because the irrigation kept screwing up and stuff. And yeah, it was just, I'm just doing this now because I have to. I finally got my build done. I'll have to. The only thing I really hate about it is I don't have anywhere to put that. My GPU holder. Like I'd love for it to just sit. Oh, there you go. I've just unstuck it. But I'm gonna have to look at doing something about that. I'm thinking I might stick it down first. And then I'll undo that. I'll just lift it down, just let it sag for a bit. I might stick it down first so it's stuck good. And then I might lift the mount, Jesus, I'm just so tired, back up. But yeah, I'll have to show you when I've got it going. It's a full-on build. Push-pull system, 360 rad. In the Leon, oh god, I can't even talk. But yeah, it's very nice. Ryzen 7 3700X, 6800 XT, Sapphire Nitro. You got your MSI cooler, beautiful card. A ridiculous amount of oil. There's 11 fans in it. It's got RGB from ear hole to asshole. It's got the whole lot. The cable management's absolute trash at the moment, but unfortunately, I ran out of time today. What? I feel like someone's near the window because she's covered in mud. I'm not really sure what I'll go out and I might have to do something about it now. But yeah, alright, everybody, that's it. Just a real short one. I'm really sorry. Thank you very much. Jeez. I hope you're having a good day. I hope you've had a good day. I hope you're going to have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow.